Keep that vibe. Drop a side. Down.
You right there, ladies and gents, how's it going? I'm out on the Triumph on this lovely sunny Sunday. What a day, eh? Damn it. At least the sun's out, eh? At least the sun's out. But the roads are proper wet and autumny. But anyway, you're in for a treat. Yes. This is where I'm announcing my GoPro Hero 5 Black competition. Now, those of you that follow my social medias on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and that might have already heard about this, but you've not heard how you're supposed to win it. Anyway, so the premise is that I've got GoPro Hero 5 Black that I no longer use, and I'm going to give it to one of you. Yes. There's a few strings. Firstly, you've got to be a subscriber to my channel. Kind of defeats the point if you're not. But yes, I need you to do some things. I need you to do some actions to get your hands on my little GoPro Hero 5 Black. So what do I need you to do? Well, first of all, obviously, you've got to subscribe to this channel, if you've not done so already, that is. And then you need to find one of my social medias, either Instagram, Twitter or Facebook, doesn't matter which, but follow that, and then drop me a private message on there telling me your YouTube name and that you want to be entered into the competition. And then there's a few other things you're going to have to do as well, because it's an expensive camera. It might be second hand, but it's still worth a couple £100. So yes, what I want you to do is every time I post a video from now up until I do the draw on my anniversary of the channel, which is Christmas Day, you need to make a meaningful comment onto every single video I post. That's all. I'd love it if you carried on watching my content after I've done the draw. I'd love it if you were a long-term subscriber. Now, I'm opening this up to anyone around the whole wide world. So whether you're in India, whether you're in Malaysia, whether you're in America, Canada, the UK, or even the Isle of Wight. So yes, I'm going to cover the cost of postage, but I'm not going to cover any taxes or customs fees and stuff like that. So yes, that will be up to you to sort out, should you win it, if you are from foreign. Now, a lot of my subscribers are from all over the place, so I thought that it was only fair that I would open it up to all of you, since the last giveaway I did was just for the local people, the people that live near me. Now, it's Remembrance Sunday today, so I'm out a little bit earlier so I can do my 2-minute silence. I hope those of you that have a Remembrance Sunday are also respecting it too. Up to you, I guess, but it would be nice for the whole world to remember those who've given the ultimate sacrifice. And it isn't glorifying war, not at all. Those of you that have only come to the channel because of this giveaway, now it's up to you if you want to enter this and bugger off afterwards. I mean, like, I can't stop you, but I would really love it if it was one of my regular subscribers that got this. So if you are a regular subscriber and you don't normally comment on my videos, now's your chance. You can win a GoPro. It is second hand. I'm not making any pretenses that it's anything other than that, but it's still a good camera. And up until getting hold of this GoPro Hero 8, I was still using my 5 Blacks. No, I was still using my 5 Sessions as my go-to helmet camera. And they're still a lot easier than this thing, because I've got to use a separate audio recorder at the moment until the new adapter thing comes out for it. Anyway, right. It's pretty straightforward. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to at least one of my social medias and drop me a message on there telling me your YouTube name, as some of you have different names, and that you want to enter the competition. And then every single video I post between now and Christmas, you need to make a meaningful comment. So watch the videos, enjoy them. So yeah, it's pretty simples indeed. So anyway, get yourself a GoPro Hero 5 Black by just watching my videos and commenting. Anyhow, if you haven't done so already, whether you're entering the competition or not, don't forget to click that subscribe button. It'd be awesome to have you come back for some more. And if you enjoyed this video, why not give it a little thumbs up? And if you didn't, you can always give it a little thumbs down. But please, whatever you do drop in a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Anyhow, you ride safe, take care, and I shall catch you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Keep that body rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that body rubber side down.